In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts to FreshBooks, a useful tool for managing your expenses and financial records with ease. To begin, let's head over to the FreshBooks website. You can find it easily by performing a quick Google search, or if you prefer, you can directly type myfreshbooks.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button prominently displayed on the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. At the login screen, you'll need to enter your account credentials to access your FreshBooks account. If you've saved your login details in your browser, it might autofill for you. Otherwise, go ahead and type in your email and password. Once you've successfully logged in, the dashboard will be your landing point. From here, look for the Expenses option on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on it will take you to the Expenses page, where you can see all your records. Now that you're on the Expenses page, you'll want to find the button that says New Expense. Clicking this will start the process of adding a new receipt. FreshBooks gives you the option to either drag your receipt image to a designated spot, or you can browse your files by selecting the file manually. Choose the method that suits you best and upload the image of your receipt. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to categorize the expense. You'll see an option labeled Add Category. Clicking on this enables you to assign a category that best fits your receipt. It's a handy feature that helps in organizing your expenses for easy retrieval and reporting. Now that you've selected a category, you're almost done. One of the last steps is to add a description to your expense. This is optional, but it's a good habit to get into as it provides additional context and information that can be useful for future reference. Enter any relevant details about the transaction that might help you recall its purpose later. Finally, after you've added the necessary details and ensured everything is correct, it's time to save your entry. You'll notice a Save button typically positioned towards the bottom of the page. Clicking it confirms and records your new expense and receipt image into the system. Don't forget to confirm once again if prompted. It's a safety measure to make sure you're adding everything as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a receipt to FreshBooks. This straightforward process not only helps in keeping your financial records organized, but also makes your accounting tasks much more manageable. Take some time to explore other features on FreshBooks as you become more comfortable with its interface. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.